Woo! Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Tom the Bear. And today we have unleashing of hits, and we have it right here. And yeah, I don't know what is this, but let's go. Let's open this up with my rusty but still trusted Happy Knife. Okay, do not use any rusty tools on building your gunpla. This habit is just for opening or unleashing kits. Okay, now without further ado, let's go. Okay, so yeah, we have here something, and it's nice, man, because yeah, I know I think it's I'm kinda late for this one, but still it's okay for me. And yeah, this is an addition to my one of my collections already for Gunpla, and this is from the latest movie of the Mobile Suit Gundam Seed Freedom, and this is the last unit that was used by Kira Yamato. Yeah, and I know you already know it when I said it's the last unit that he used, because this is your HG Cosmic Era Mighty Strike Freedom Gundam. So this is the latest version of the Strike Freedom, which is, yeah, as we know, the last form of Strike Freedom last time on its TV series is the golden frame and has those dragoons at the back, and now we have this kind of golden, and it has a katana. You can see that it's a very large katana right there, and yeah, it's nice. So it's like a dual wielding kind of unit, which it has a katana, and also it has that beam saber at the other side of the hand, or the left side of the hand. Okay, so yeah, very nice. So let's see what is this unit. So what? Yeah, let's go. What is this unit, man? Can we know it? Or this backpack? Does anyone knows what is the name of the backpack? Can you please comment down there below, because I want to know it. Okay, so right here, it's not an unboxing, but I just want to know what is this kind of backpack that he has. Okay, that it has rather. So it has a golden frame, and then one of the amazing things that he has, that this unit has this kind of weapon which can really distract or destroy anything in the outer space or during on the movie, which it is called the Disruptor. Okay, which is on the forehead of your Gundam Freedom, Strike Freedom, Mighty Strike Freedom. And yeah, it has a katana. So blade features two different types of material. Give me a scene. Okay, so it's like the katana will be on black. Yeah, so let's open it a little bit. It's not yet an unboxing. Okay, I just want to see the parts or the runners inside. Okay, just also to be sure if the runners are okay or not. If they're okay. Yeah, and also the quality. But it's Bandai, so don't. Ooh, same as usual. Yeah, and it has this very nice clear part. This is the shield one, which is also bringing in something rainbow-like kind of effect. Yeah, very nice. And yeah, I'm right, the katana is on black plastic. Yeah, maybe I will add something effect on that, which I will add something metallic effect, yeah, on the sword, so that it can be really seen as a katana. And this is the part of your backpack, which is very big. It's like also the old part, which has this part right here, but it's new because it doesn't have the dragoons already. Yeah, so we have here. Ooh, is this an injection? Yeah, it's a gold injection maybe. Yep, and we have a lot of stickers right there. Okay. Yeah, and also another stickers. Those stickers that you've seen, a very large sticker, is for the backpack. This one is for the unit. Yeah, so we have some stickers. I don't know if I will use the stickers. Let's see if which part of this kit will need those stickers, and if I can just paint them, why not? If I have something that really close to that kind of color on the stickers. Okay, so we'll have a painting for that if we can, but if not, then we will use the stickers. Okay, so yeah, that is our unleashing of our Mighty Strike Freedom Gundam from the movie Mobile Suit Gundam Seed Freedom. Okay, and it's from an HG Cosmic Era. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like these kinds of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell so that you will be informed for our next video. Okay, and if you want to prioritize this kit, please just comment down there below that you want this to be prioritized. Okay, so yeah, same as usual, we'll have an unboxing, a speed build, a quick look, and a full review of this kit next time. Again, speed build because this is a Bandai, so no problem on fittings, maybe, but yeah, there's still some Bandai that has problem on fittings, but still, it's Bandai. The quality is superb. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much, and good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Dumbledore Show signing out. That's it. Thank you, and goodbye. Peace out. Bye. Woo! So, if you reached this part of my video, please comment down there below. Hashtag Jake the Gunpla Reviewer, and get the chance to be shout out on our next video. Alright, that's it. Thank you and peace out.